Hi friends from New Life. How is everyone doing? I'm here today to give you a garden update. I just want to show you things that I planted in my garden this spring, this year. I planted so many things in this small garden. It's unbelievable, you know. So I just wanted to share with you. I don't know what you are planting in your garden this year. You can share with me too. So I was planting so many things. I love these long yard beans. It's my first time to try it in this color. I want to plant that this year. It's like that. Let me put it this way. Purple long yard beans. I have also the other type, which is this type also. I planted this, also the long beans, and I planted this type too this year. Carrots and some spinach. Yeah, some new things that I planted this year, like this one, you know, and also this purple kale. Yeah, I planted so many things. I also planted even some flowers, some tulips, you know. So let me go outside and show you a little bit of the tulips that I planted outside. The ones in the front yard is already doing so well, but the backyard is not yet growing. Let me show you. You know, there's tulips. You can see them. Some tulips. You know, this one already have one flower. See how beautiful it is. I plant some tomatoes and some. Even this one here is almost bearing flowers. Yeah. So this is my front yard garden, and these are the tulips I planted this year.
You're staying inside. You're not being nice at all.
These are tulips. Tulips. Yeah, I'm so excited for this year gardening. The backyard is still really nothing. I can show you the backyard. Nothing is really let me go to the backyard and show a little bit what I planted in the backyard, but they have not yet, nothing is growing yet because it was too cold. It was too cold. This is the backyard garden. Only some few things like kale. I put some kale behind here. They started to germinate a little bit. And then here is our tulips too. Some tulips, they start to grow. Some tulips here also. They start to grow. Yeah, nothing yet. I'll give you an update in a month's time, and you'll see how great. This is a honeyberry for Hedy. We already start removing flowers just now. So I planted some carrots here. So much of them germinate. I have to reduce some of them. I planted some beans on this corner. All of them start to germinate already. See, it's amazing. The tomatoes I put in here, it's really cold. I don't know if they're going to do well. Yeah, so that is the first update. I will give you another update again in few weeks to come, and maybe in a month to come, and then you will see how far this. Now there's nothing here, but you'll see how there will be so many things growing behind in this backyard. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you. God bless you.